Well, good job, Paragon Stairs, from the ordering with Rachel. Design and layout was perfect. We sat down together. We spent a lot of time. The biggest thing was making sure that the floor-to-floor height was exactly right on, and it was. It came out perfect. The way the design was online. Together we sat down and I guess through Teams and all that, it actually came out really good. I assembled the stairs myself. Didn't need any help. I could have used some help a couple times, but from pouring the footing all the way to bolting it in and putting it together, the way the stairway was received in its shipping containers, everything was hermetically sealed, numbered. The directions were to a T. It's a very easy do-it-yourself job. I gotta say, if you got a little bit of mechanical skills, it was fantastic. I'm actually gonna take you up the stairs and kind of show you the layout and how it came out. Excuse the mess, it is a new build. We've got to do a little bit of grading here, but you can see overall, the stairway just came out fantastic. I couldn't be more happy. Paragon, you nailed it. Thank you.